Sad to say, but hacks in the blockchain world keep on happening, and the latest one is a whopper. Welcome to the Daily Forkast March 30th, 2022. I'm Megha Chaddah of Forkast, covering all things blockchain. In one of the biggest blockchain exploits to date, the Ronin network, where the hugely popular Axie Infinity play-to-earn game runs, has been hacked for crypto that's currently worth over $600 million. We'll take a look at that story, plus a whole lot more coming up. Let's get you up to speed from Asia to the world.
Join thousands of NFT traders who already start their day on CryptoSlam.
Let's kick off with a dive into augmented reality. Chinese tech giant Alibaba has led a $60 million investment round in augmented reality or AR glasses maker Nreal. While the investment is purely financial, it could introduce a partnership given that Nreal previously released AR glasses tailored for its investor Neo. Though Nreal is headquartered in China, it hasn't targeted the domestic market so far, instead launching products in 6 countries overseas, including the United States and Japan. The cash will be used to finally make a foray into China this year, as well as for research and development of its content and app ecosystem. AR and VR devices are a field many major technology companies are investigating. However, rumors over an AR or VR headset from Apple have yet to turn into reality. Physical reality, that is. And over in Hong Kong, the operator of the third largest stock market in Asia, Hong Kong Exchange, has announced it is to establish a digital trading platform called Diamond this year. The platform will primarily focus on environment, social and governance or ESG related products such as carbon emission contracts. Nicholas Agusin, the CEO of Hong Kong Exchange, expressed optimism in the possibilities that this new platform will bring.
We are very excited about the digital transformation that is happening around the world. That means that we need to further develop our digital capabilities. We need to explore opportunities in digital assets, ESG, private markets, and emerging sectors.
Diamond is expected to become a one-stop platform for data management, asset trading, settlement, and wallet management for trading various assets 24 hours a day. However, HKEx has not specified the inclusion of cryptocurrencies in the platform. According to a study, the current global market value of digital assets is about $3 trillion, and it is expected to reach $60 to $100 trillion by 2030. You can find those stories and lots more at Forkast.News. Meanwhile, another massive hack has heightened concerns over cross-chain bridge solutions. The Ethereum sidechain Ronin, where play-to-earn game Axie Infinity runs, has been hacked for over $600 million worth of crypto. Forkast Lachlan Keller has more.
In a statement released by the Ronin network, it said the hacker compromised 4 of its own validator nodes along with one controlled by the third-party Axie DAO, allowing them to gain majority control of the network. Once the attacker had control of the nodes, they went on to make 2 transactions on March 23rd, withdrawing 173,600 ETH and 25.5 million USDC. That's a total loss of over $613 million as calculated early Wednesday Asia time. The price of Ronin's native currency, RON, plummeted after the details of the hack were revealed, falling by as much as 26%. It was trading at $1.81 on Wednesday morning in Asia. One expert told Forkast the hack shows why centralized cross-chain bridges may threaten the adoption of cryptocurrencies. Kadan Stadelman, the CTO of Komodo, said that having only 9 validators for the Ronin bridge and 4 belonging to the same person is concerning. Just last month, Jump Crypto moved to replace $325 million worth of missing funds after an exploit to its cross-chain bridge, Wormhole. And back in August, Poly Network suffered what was recorded as the largest ever hack when it lost over $600 million before the assets were eventually returned and the perpetrator offered a job as chief security advisor. Ronin says that an investigation is already underway and that it's working with law enforcement agencies, forensic cryptographers, and investors to make sure funds are recovered or reimbursed. For Forkast, I'm Lachlan Keller.
Asia is set to overtake the West as the next big market for NFTs, possibly as early as this year. You can get the details in an exclusive new Forkast research report in partnership with CryptoSlam, the State of NFTs Q1 2022. So let's bring in Johan Kalpu, VP Chief Marketing Officer of CryptoSlam, to discuss Asia's role in the NFT boom. Great to see you again, Johan.
Thanks for having me, Megha.
Now, Johan, per a survey, a third of Philippine adults have said that they own an NFT, and the country, along with Vietnam, is amongst the biggest markets for MetaMask, that's a crypto wallet company. So do you see Southeast Asia holding on to this lead as far as NFT volumes go compared to, say, Japan or South Korea? What's the potential here?
Well, those Philippines and Indonesia really took a lead when Axie, the game Axie Infinity, became popular there, and it seemed like it was a secondary income source for a lot of people. I guess it's just innovation, where the innovation plays and the use case that it found. It's just the way things move, and sometimes other markets need to see the use of the technology to fully get it as well. Now that we're seeing the cultural movement take place, we're going to see powerhouses like South Korea and Japan, who have a lot of cultural IP to put on chain. They'll start coming up now.
And talking about Japan and South Korea, there seems to be quite a divide in crypto adoption when we look at these two countries. Despite a tech-savvy population, NFT ownership is quite low in the land of the rising sun, while NFTs from K-pop bands is driving the demand for collectibles in South Korea. What's your take?
My take is that Japan has a lot of IP that have set business models. They don't really need an innovative business model there. Whereas Korea, they're innovative and they have new IP that are coming on, and new groups that are popular across the world. Maybe music NFTs takes off there. So the use case is that there's new places for these NFTs and communities to form, whereas in Japan, they may have already formed and very mature. Big bands, BTS and like, they are huge global phenomenons, and I feel like NFTs can really bring that to a global audience, and that's why I'm really bullish on South Korean NFTs, same as Japan ones as well too.
And shifting focus to China then, cryptocurrencies are technically banned in the country, but the market for NFTs remains quite hot. Chinese tech giants like Alibaba and Tencent have rebranded NFTs as digital collectibles, and Beijing is building its own version of NFTs on state-backed blockchains. What's your outlook on NFTs in the world's most populous country?
Well, I feel like it's a huge opportunity for artists. It's a huge opportunity for communities, and I also feel that selecting the blockchain is a very strategic decision. So if that's something that they want to hold close to their chest, or even also maybe select a blockchain that may be public and permissionless, that may be an interesting choice as well too. I definitely think that they would want their own identity projects, like profile pictures. However, the beauty of this technology is that every culture around the world finds a way to innovate in their own distinct way. And I'm actually looking forward to seeing what China has in that regard.
Johan, thank you so much for joining in with all the insights today.
Thank you for having me.
And that's the Daily Forkast, keeping you up to date on the blockchain world from our vantage point right here in Asia. For more, visit Forkast.News. I'm Megha Chaddah. Until next time.